Hey, so we are now in front of the 星巴克 of 三门雷日月潭星巴克. So yeah, right over here. Yeah, it's a beautiful view in front, I hope. Yeah. I'll go there to drink a coffee and wait for my clothes to be washed. So yeah, let's go. Hey, Starbucks. It's my first Starbucks in Taiwan. Let's see what they have.
I still not then not compete with anyone, but I just I will forget the first. I will not
Okay, I got what I always got. The a latte. So yeah, let's check out the view here. Looks good to me. Oh yeah, my face is not exposed, surely, but well, let's drink the coffee. Oh yeah, I have to change direction because the sun is shining at the spot that I was eating. Yeah, apparently this is the special beans or something. I mean, yeah, that's a little bit different from what I know. Yeah, not bad, not bad. It's for $1.25, so it's about $5 Sing dollars. Yeah, nice view. Hey, I left the Starbucks. Now it's the time to go to collect my laundry. Yeah. So, the ticket to ride the what you call that, the boat ride in a what's it called, 日月潭, right? There's actually a secret way to get it at a cheaper price. So, like, you see the original price of this is 300 yuan, right? So if you buy it from the hotel, they'll give you at 200 yuan. So yeah, I mean the owner of the B&B asked me like, where am I going after this? And I told her that I'm going to the 水社pier to take the boat. And then she said that, would you like to buy the ticket for me? And I said, yeah. It's cheaper. So yeah, if you are planning to come here, maybe consider buying it from your hotel or B&B, then it'll be cheaper. Yeah, time to go. Oh man, why my face is so dark? Okay, let's take the laundry. Oh, I see some paper. That's not good. Yeah, pocket has some paper and I wash it. That's not good. Hopefully it's just paper that is left over by other people, not just a paper in my pocket or something. Hopefully not, but yeah, that's all. Let's go and put the stuff in my bike. Yeah. Hey, let's go to 水色码头 to take the boat ride.